Did you know that in the church of Sant'Agata there is the very ancient bell of San Leonardo? Around 1500 in the 𝗷𝗵𝗃𝗏 district there was the very ancient church of San Leonardo, with the arch confraternity dedicated to the saint attached to it. However, there is very little information about the church. It certainly must have had some importance because in 1580, during the renovation works of the Chiesa Madre, all religious functions were transferred there.
Questa prima chiesa dedicata a San Leonardo era sicuramente legata al carcere perché San Leonardo è patrono dei carcerati.
Unfortunately, almost 200 years later, the church of San Leonardo had become a ruin. So in the year 1741, the priest Don Paolino and his sister together transferred the archconfraternity of San Leonardo to the Palmintelli district, now known as Badia Vecchia, and decided to rebuild the church of San Leonardo there, on the original site of the pre-existing church of San Siro.
They bring with them the statue of San Leonardo and the bell dedicated to him into the new church. By the end of the late 1800s, the statue was lost, while the bell from the year 1635, weighing approximately 50 kilograms and bearing the inscription San Leonardo ora pro nobis, was brought to the bell tower next to the church of Sant'Agata and still rings today for the people of Sutara.
If you liked the video, give it a like.
Share it.
And hit the follow button so you don't miss any future videos.